Hey guys, Teresa here. I just wanted to pop in and create a video showing how to remove a stain. You all know who've subscribed to me, I just like to get straight to the point. So I'm going to actually show you just this absolute horrible stain in this minivan. There are so many stains in here, and I have been for the past couple of hours trying to work with my carpet cleaner, and this part kind of worries me. It's so thick and grimy that it actually feels like oil. So I'm going to make a solution, and we're going to see if we can't get rid of that. 3 cups of water. 1 cup hydrogen peroxide. Good old Dawn dish soap. Not even measuring. Give it a good stir. Let's give it a good look on how awful this is. Gonna just saturate it over the stain. We're gonna give it a little scrubbing. That is fucking disgusting. And I got a white shirt just because I wanted to show you guys. And because this is so heavy, I'm actually going to do the whole process a second time because I don't want all of the solution to soak into the floor because this is a vehicle. White shirt? What white shirt? Alright, I'm going to repeat the process. This is round 2 for me because this is absolutely horrible. Again, I don't want it to, all the fluids to soak into, through the carpet. This is already looking so much better. You can actually see that there's carpet under there. Alright. Got a towel, a throwaway towel here. Just gonna wipe this up. Holy smokes, but that looks so much better. But now it made the rest of the carpet look even worse. Just suck that out. But yep, there you have it. Good luck, guys. Happy cleaning.